Now we will start exercise 13.2. In first sum, we have to find the solution set for each of the inequations if replacement set is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now first inequation is x plus 5 less than and equal to 10. First we will write the inequation, then here plus 5 is given, so we will do subtracting 5 from both sides. We will subtract 5 from both sides, then answer will come x less than and equal to 5. Now solution set, we have to find numbers which are less than 5 and equal to 5, means 5 we will also take. From replacement set we will find the solution set, and our solution set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also we will take 5. That is the answer. Now second inequation is given 2x minus 1 greater than 6. Replacement set is same 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First we write the inequation. Here minus 1 is there, so we will adding 1 on both sides. After adding, inequation is 2x greater than 7, then dividing by 2 on both sides, 2 will cut, then x greater than 7.2 means 3.5. We will take numbers that will be greater than 3.5. So solution set is 4 and 5. Now second sum, find the solution set of inequation 2 into x minus 3 less than and equal to 5x, where x is negative integer. First we will write the inequation. In first step we will multiply 2 by both the numbers which are inside the bracket. 2x minus 6 less than and equal to 5x. Then first subtracting 2x on both sides. First we will, in first step we will subtract 2x on both sides. Then answer is minus 6 less than and equal to 3x. We can write same as 3x greater than and equal to. Now in this step divide by 3 on both sides. We will divide by 3. Then answer will x greater than and equal to minus 2. So our solution set is minus 2 and minus 1. We have to take numbers which are greater than minus 2. And minus 2 we will also take because equal to sign is there. Now third sum. In third sum, replacement set is given 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inequation is 7 minus x upon 2 greater than 5x upon 3 minus 6. In first step, we will remove this 6 by adding 6 on both sides because it is minus, so we will add. And in second step, solution is 13 minus x upon 2 greater than 5x upon 3. Now in next step, we will add x upon 2 on both sides. When we will add x upon 2 on both sides, it will come this. First we will take LCM. After LCM, cross multiply, and after cross multiplying, divide by 13 on both sides. We will divide by 13. Then answer is 6 greater than x or x less than 6. We will choose numbers which are less than 6. Less than 6 from replacement set. Numbers are 3, 4 and 5. So our solution set is 3, 4, 5. Now fourth sum. Fourth sum, inequation is given 2 into x minus 8 greater than 5 plus x. Replacement set is set of positive integers. When we will see elements from replacement set, we have to see only positive integers. First we will write the inequation. In first step, we will multiply the inside numbers which are inside the bracket by 2. 2x minus 16 greater than 5 plus x. And in next step, we will take x on this side, it will become minus, and 5, we will take 16 on other side, it will become plus. 2x minus x, x greater than 21. So solution set will be greater than 21. Which numbers are there? 22, 23, 24, so on. Now fifth sum. Solve 2.3 into 9x minus 15 plus 4 less than and equal to 6 plus 3.4 into 4 minus 12x. Here x means natural number. In first step, we will multiply 2.3 with numbers which are inside the bracket and multiply 3.4 with numbers which are inside the bracket. Then after multiplying, it is coming 6x minus 10 plus 4 less than and equal to 6 plus 3 minus 9x. Now 6x minus 10 plus 4 minus 6 less than and equal to 6 plus 3 9 minus 9x. Now change the side of 9x and 6. When we change the side of 9x, it will become plus, and when we will change the side of minus 6, it will become plus 6. 6x plus 9x 15x less than and equal to 9 plus 6 15. Then we will change the side of 15, it is with multiply. When we will change, it will become divide. X less than and equal to 15 divided by 15, answer is 1. X less than and equal to 1, so our solution set is 1. Because we have to take only natural numbers, less than and equal to 1, natural number starts from 1. So solution set is 1. Now sixth sum, solve the inequation. Inequation is given x belongs to whole number and represent the solution set graphically. Means we have to show the solution set on number line. First we will write the inequation. In first step we will multiply 5 with the numbers which are inside the bracket, both the numbers. 5 multiply x 5x, 5 multiply by 1 5. Then in second step we will change the side of 2x and 5. 2x will become minus and 5 minus 5 will become plus 5. Our answer is 3x less than 6. Now we will change the side of 3, it will become divide there. X less than 6.3 to x less than 2. So our solution set, which numbers are less than 2 and they will be whole numbers. Whole numbers start from 0. So less than 2 whole numbers are 0 and 1. So our solution set is 0, 1. We will show it on number line. First we will take scale and pencil for making number line. In center there is 0, right side positive numbers, left side negative numbers, and we will show these numbers with thick dots, 0 and 1. 0 and 1 we will show with thick dots. Now this chapter is finished. You have to do this chapter on your fair notebooks.